So, if your lift support struts don't work properly, you have to replace them. Usually new ones cost about $10 a piece. For 2-pack you're gonna pay about $20. I will replace just one strut. That's enough lift power for Skoda Octavia. For replacement, just prepare lift support strut, screwdriver, rack for cleaning and Osprey. First step is to prepare trunk space and secure the fall of the fifth door. Be cautious, they are pretty heavy. To remove the old lift support strut, you just need to slip narrow screwdriver under the retainer clip and lift it up. Do the same thing at the bottom of the strut. Now, when I just removed the old strut, it's a great opportunity to clean both balls with the old rack and then oil it with, in my case, spray. It's better to use the grease if you have that. For installing the replacement strut, just put it on. Notice the higher lifting power of the new lift support strut. Let me please know if you prefer replacing just one strut or both together. Thanks a lot for your time and see you next time.